Hi everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw this cute watercolor boba tea. Before continue watching, please turn on the subtitle and HD mode to enjoy the best movie. I divide the class into 5 sections and put the duration and the description down below, so that you can skip or choose what you wanna see. For the supply, you will need a watercolor set. For me, I use Sakura Koi. It comes with a palette. If you're a student like me and have a tight budget, it will be your top choice. Next, you will need a water brush. You can add water into the tube and press to control the amount of water. And make sure you have a tissue paper beside you. First, let's sketch a symmetry cup shape. It doesn't have to be perfect, because imperfection is the charm of hand drawing. For that, you may need some practice. Next, draw a lid above your cup. Replace a circle by erasing the upper center. For the straw, I recommend using a ruler. I choose cerulean blue hue to be my cup color. Make sure you use the tissue to remove the excess water. You can use a Pigma pen instead if you want. I outline several times to make it more visible. To make the milk tea, I mix with 3 colors: Yellow Orchid, Burnt Umber, and Huang Brilliant. If you look closely, you will find out there is a little gap between the cup and the drink. Be careful when you paint it. Before painting, I did some research. The tea which inside the lid and the above will actually look lighter. So I add some Chinese white to it. Usually the brown sugar will precipitate, so the bottom should be darker. I choose light red to be my straw. For the bubbles, I want to make them more dynamic and fun, so I use 3 different colors: paint gray, ivory black, and light red. After making the lid more visible, the last step is using the white gel pen to highlight the illustration. That's all for today. If you like this video, please put a thumb up and comment down below. I put a link in the description that you can download my freebie boba tea sticker as your gift. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. See you next time!